Can ChatGPT actually build us a brand? Well, today we are going to put this GPT to the test. Now, this is a custom GPT that's built by Design Maverick and I, combining the best of our knowledge in AI for design and AI for copy to build an entire new GPT that can help you to develop a brand guide. Is it any good? Let's put it to the test. So today I'm going to think about a new product. Let's say an organic, eco-friendly soap. Okay, so I'm just going to say I need your help to build a brand guide for Eva, an organic, eco-friendly line of soap products. Now, it's going to ask me a couple of questions that will help us to get to our brand guide. So it's saying, please give me a brief description of Eva, target audience, USPs, a few keywords and phrases. And this is something that you will also go through whenever you're talking to a consultant or an agency when you're going through the brand building process. So I'm just going to type in a few key points. So let's see what happens next. Now, of course, you can always add more to the prompt. The more information you give, the better it gets. But for now, we're just going to give it a really top-line overview of Eva and see what this GPT comes out with. So it's going to use Dall-e to create certain brand images. Wow, okay. I'm pretty surprised. I didn't expect it to look so good. So I am very pleased. It gave me my colors that I was looking for. It looks clean, it looks sustainable, and it of course looks eco-friendly. I also got it to create an entire brand guide with my mission statement. Eva is dedicated to enriching lives with our 100% organic, eco-friendly soap products crafted for wellness and sustainability. I like that a lot actually. And you can see that it also has like my vision. It has our values, sustainability, integrity, compassion, quality. It has the voice and tone, inspirational and informed, yet approachable and friendly. Nice. And the tone is positive and uplifting with an emphasis on clean and concise language. So we even have the further writing guidelines for do and don'ts. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to come up with a series of examples for me using the brand tone of voice that it has developed. And I'm going to check if it's aligned. So let's take a look at the social media posts. Embrace the purity of nature with Eva's organic soaps. Made with love, our products promise a journey back to the essentials of well-being. Not too bad. Alright, let's take a look at the product description. Of course, you can give it more information for an actual product. Unwind in the serene embrace of Eva's Lavender Bliss organic soap, handcrafted with the finest organic ingredients. This soap is a testament to our commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. Not too bad as well. And of course, looking at the email newsletter, it has the subject line, refresh your routine with Eva's Spring Essentials. And then it talks about the product spotlight, sustainability tips, and even a 15% off, which is great. Good job, GPT. I'm very proud. You even have a great call to action with a discount code. So very pleased with that. You always have to combine human creativity with AI execution to get the best results. So if you want access to this GPT, remember to comment AI and we will drop you the link.